With the Galaxy Fold, we're creating a new dimension for your phone and your life. We're giving you a device that doesn't just define a new category, it defies category. With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. It's compact and perfectly portable. But when the device opens up, your world does too. With a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet. Now, in order to create a brand new type of smartphone, we had to develop brand new ways to design, engineer, and manufacture it. From the screen to the frame to every element you can see and touch, we left no stone unturned. One of the biggest challenges was building the backbone of the device, something that could hold strong, even after hundreds of thousands of folds and unfolds. So we invented a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the Galaxy Fold smoothly and naturally. And the beauty of it is, you don't even see it. The hinge's multiple interlocking gears are hidden, giving the device a seamless, elegant look. And that's just one of the ways we carefully considered the design of the Fold. We also gave you 4 galactic colors to choose from: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue. And depending on the color you choose, you can make it your own by personalizing the hinge color too. With 2 different screens, it's perfect for any situation. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So you can send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go. Now, of course, sometimes you want a larger screen. And the Galaxy Fold's Infinity Flex display gives you a powerful multimedia experience. With immersive visuals and sound by AKG, your favorite movies come to life in vivid color and rich audio. And the interior screen is so large that it powers a truly next-generation experience, one never before seen on a smartphone. 3-app multitasking. Yeah. You can watch a YouTube video of Hawaii, text your friend about it, and browse travel options all at the same time. Each screen works perfectly on its own, but the Fold is more than 2 separate screens. It's a unified device. These displays work together to give you a singular, seamless, multi-screen experience. And the key to making this possible is called app continuity. And what that means is that you can switch between the screens without missing a beat. So, when you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. Now, to ensure that all these apps run smoothly, the Galaxy Fold needs unprecedented, unparalleled performance. So that's what we gave it. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's more. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0. You're asking yourself, how did we build a battery into a phone that folds right down the middle? Well, the answer is we built 2 of them, one on each side of the device. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into, and the camera is just as flexible as the rest of the device. In fact, it's actually a system of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. The Fold will always be ready to capture the moment no matter which way you hold it or you fold it.
As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go.
Wow.
It's really quick. We have all the usual suspects here. Here are my messages. Here's my email, and my playlist on Spotify. Pretty much everything that I already do on my phone.
Exactly. I find it especially useful folded when I'm on the go. Hey, Josh, can we show them how to navigate with Google Maps?
Sure, I can easily pull up Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah.
Huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the fold.
Wow. And you never know when you might need to Google something. There you have it. On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the third window. And if he wants to browse in the bigger window, he can do that too. All he has to do is just drag the browser over to the larger display. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. And you can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th. Now, a luxury device deserves luxury packaging, right? And maybe a little something extra. Perhaps a pair of our new dynamic earbuds, which you'll hear about later today. And in just a few weeks, you can be one of the first in the world to take home the Galaxy Fold. It will change the way you interact with the world around you.
It's the largest Super AMOLED screen available.
It's comparable to the amazing dual-core performance.
It's inspired by nature.
Mind-blowingly thin. Water and dust resistance.
The first dual-health smartphone.
With dual pixel, we've gone leaps.
An infinity display that sets.
Dual aperture for amazing shots.
A device like the Galaxy Fold. It's quite good. A couple of days use.